for the late because of power cut problem. Just now the power came, so sorry for what. I was ready with everything, the board writing, everything. Just it's a power cut problem. No issues. Let's continue today's session, students. So hi, welcome, my dear students. How do organisms reproduce? The last topic today, we are going to end this chapter. Okay, fine. So today's the last topic here we are going to study here is two last topics are there. One is contraception and the female feticide. Okay, fetus we call feticide. Contraception. What do you mean by contraception, students? To avoid child, to avoid the child or to avoid the pregnancy, that condition it is called as contraception. Is it clear, students? So in words, what they have given in definition, what do you mean by contraception? It is the avoidance of a pregnancy. Okay, what do you mean by contraception? It is the avoidance of the pregnancy. That is the fusion of male and female gametes, or the parents are still not planned to have a child. They have to settle, or so many reasons are there. Just to avoid the child or to avoid the pregnancy, that condition is called as contraception. Is it clear? How it can be achieved? It can be achieved by preventing the fertilization of ova. Okay. Fertilization means already we have studied what? The fusion of male and female gametes. The male and female gametes do not have to fuse. It should be stopped. How it can be stopped, students? There are four methods are there. Four different methods are there to avoid the pregnancy, or contraception methods or contraceptive methods. Which are the four different types? Let us see here. First one is mechanical. In detail we will see afterwards. So just the names here. Four different types or methods of contraception or contraceptive methods. The first one is physical barrier or mechanical barrier. Barrier means what? Stop. Physical barrier or mechanical barrier is the first one. You have to remember. In detail we are going to see afterwards. The name you have to remember. The first method is physical barrier or mechanical barrier. Okay. First. The second one is chemical method, students. Chemical method, pills. By taking pills means what? Tablets. By taking the pills, chemically, this is a chemical method we can control. So in first method, mechanical or physical barrier, there are two types are there. Male they have to use the what? Condoms, and in female they can use cervical caps. Okay, so these are the two things in mechanical barrier or physical barrier. So in chemical method, tablets or pills we can say. Okay, so the next one is IUCD. What do you mean by this IUCD? Intrauterine contraceptive device. Okay, we will see later words. There are loop or copper T can be used for what? For avoidance of the pregnancy. Okay, loop or copper T, which comes under IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive device. Clear? IUCD. Very easy is there. Intra means inside. What? Female reproductive organ? Uterine. Uterus actually. Here we have to pronounce intrauterine. CD means a contraceptive device it is. IUCD. Okay. Copper T or loop it is there. Or loop. What is this copper T? What is this loop? We will see here. So the next one is surgical method, operation method. The doctors will do the operation. So in male it is called as vasectomy, and in female, if the operation is done for avoidance of the pregnancy, it is called as a tubectomy. Tubectomy in females, vasectomy in males. Okay, clear? The four things you have to remember. What are the four methods of contraception or contraceptive methods? Four contraceptive methods: mechanical barrier or physical barrier. The second one is chemical method. The third one is what? Mm, Sorry, IUCD, okay, intrauterine contraceptive device, and the fourth one is surgical method: vasectomy in male, tubectomy in female. Okay, clear. The first, let us see here, the first one, mechanical barrier or physical barrier. Okay, so before starting this session or this topic, so said hi, thank you so much for attending my live session. So 3 likes, thank you so much for your valuable likes, students. Please share to your friends, relations, okay, those who are in 10th or those who are attending the GPSTR government examination teacher recruitment. This biology will be very very helpful for them also. So in government exams, teachers recruitment, so they may ask these questions, students. 10th biology, they are what, focusing on 10th biology, GPSTR or HSTR. So you people also can watch this video. Those who want to become the government teacher, so you can watch and you will get the what, good knowledge. No problem, no issues. The first one is mechanical barrier or physical barrier. So physical barrier, to prevent union of egg and sperm. So physical barrier means what, students? So just now I have told you to stop. So see, my hand is barrier for this camera. You cannot watch because it is a barrier, students. So like this same way, the egg and the sperm do not have to fuse. Prevent, stop, union, combination of male and female gametes should be stopped. That is known as physical barrier or mechanical barrier. So the condoms are available. Okay, the male can use these. Female condoms are also available nowadays. So cervical. Okay, I am extremely sorry for the inconvenience, students. Continuously the messages are coming. Okay, for that purpose I have switched fix it to aeroplane mode. So now it is connected. Whether it is connected, students? Yes. Okay, fine. So it was showing the reconnecting. So I think you have not what the class is continued, or I don't know. Okay, no issues. Let us see here. These are the four methods, students. First one is mechanical method or physical barrier. Second one is chemical method. By taking the tablets, we can imbalance that hormonal imbalance, and in female, the eggs will not release. If egg is not released, there will be no fertilization. So it may be having some side effects. Chemical methods, oral pills, tablets. Okay. The third one is IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive device. Intra means what? Inside. Okay. So the class is continued, or I don't know, because it was showing reconnect. Okay, no issues. Let us see here. The second method, chemical method, okay, using the Just a minute, students. Okay. First one is mechanical method or physical barrier. Second one is chemical method or taking the pills. The third one is IUCD. The fourth one is surgical method. Okay. Yes. Uh, Physical barrier or mechanical barrier. So these all are the four different methods of contraception, students. Contraception means what? To avoid the pregnancy. Okay, clear? So first one is the using condoms or cervical caps. Cervical caps are used by the females and the condoms are used by the males. So by this, what the fusion of male and female gametes can be stopped. So this is physical method or what mechanical barrier. Barrier means what? Stop, avoid. Okay. So next one is the chemical method by taking the tablets, oral pills. Pills means what? Tablets. That tablet will go inside the female body. Okay, it will imbalance the hormone. Egg is not released, student. If egg is not released, the male gametes they will not fuse with that female ova. So hormonal balance, there will be change in hormones. So these change hormonal balance of the body so that eggs are not released, but they are having so many side effects. One time okay, so again and again if this method is used, chemical method is used, there may be a harm for the body of the female. Okay. So next one is the IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive device. So this is a female reproductive part, students. Okay. So this is uterus. Okay. So these are ovaries are there here. So one copper device which is fixed inside this uterus. This is uterus. Okay. This is uterus. One copper device is fixed here. How it is copper device means? So if we push here, so the strings will become like this, T shape, copper T, copper device. When we pull this one, what the strings will come and sit like this. Egg is releasing, students. The sperms are coming here. There will be no fusion. Okay. So this copper T is what? It is a device or loop like structures. So this is called IUCD. Inside, intra, uterus, uterine, intra, uterine contraceptive device, that is called as IUCD. You have to remember. Okay. So the next one is surgical methods. Surgical method, there are two types are there, students, here. One is vasectomy and the another one is tubectomy. Okay. Okay. Fine. No issues. So what is this vasectomy and tubectomy? Okay. See, I have told you scrotum, inside the scrotum testes are there in male reproductive part. From testis one there is a vas difference which is going, students, pipe like structure which is going. Okay. So this is vas difference. Vas difference. Okay. If this vas difference is what? Surgically, operationally it is what? Cut, and it is operation is done. Okay. So the sperms which are produced here, they will not go to the uterus, urethra only. They will be stopped here only because it is cut and it is surgically operation is done. So what is cut, students? Vas difference is cut. So vasectomy. Why it is called as vasectomy? Vas difference is operationally it is cut in male reproductive part. So vasectomy happens in male, students. This is a surgical method of contraception. Is it clear? In male reproductive part, testes are present inside the scrotum and the testes are connected to the vas difference. From here only the sperms will move to the male reproductive organ. Okay. So this vas deferens is surgically it is cut and it is done operation. So what is cut? Vas deferens. So vasectomy in males. Is it clear? So this is one of the method in surgical method in males. In females, okay, the female reproductive part we have to draw, not draw, just try to understand. What is this, students? What is this structure? Oviduct I have told. Ova is coming, oviduct. Another name is there. What is there? Fallopian tube. What we call? Fallopian tube. So tube, this tube is cut and done the operation, students. Is that from the ova the egg is released but it is not coming here. There will be no fertilization. If male gametes are coming here, they are not going to fuse with the ova because it is operationally cut. What is cutting? Fallopian tube. So it is called as tubectomy in female. Tubectomy in female, vasectomy in male. So these are the surgical methods. 4 different types of contraceptive methods we have seen today. So the first one is mechanical or physical barrier. Second one is chemical method. Third one is IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive device. The fourth one is surgical method, in that in males vasectomy, in female tubectomy. Okay, clear? So next one is female feticide. What is female feticide? Few years back, one machine came, students. One machine the scientists have invented that we can see the child in the mother's womb, whether it is a male or female, we can find out that machine. So what happened? So many doctors, they have told, oh, female is there, oh, male is there. They started telling to each and every parents. What parents have done here? Oh, female is there, so no, it will be a problem. We have to give a dowry, or female is not giving us any money, or they are not taking care. They will marry and they will go like that. What happened? The parents have thought. So many parents, they have made abortion. Abortion is nothing but the killing of female child inside the womb only. So that is called as female feticide. It happened so many years afterwards. What happened, students? There was an imbalance in the society. The males were increasing more and the females become female number, it becomes very less. So there will be what imbalance in our society. For that purpose, the government has banned now. The doctors, they do not have to tell this regarding the whether the growing fetus or growing child is a male or female. The doctors do not have to tell to any of their relatives also, friends also, for their patients also. If doctors will tell, if it is what caught by the police, so there will be a chance of arrest students. It is a illegal, students. It is not a legal, it is a illegal. Any parents also do not have to make abortion of the female child. Okay, so that is called as female feticide. Understood everybody the concept? So there will be a balance in the society. Nature is providing male and female everything. Why we people have to go and we have to kill that female baby? Okay, let us see. The process of killing a female child inside the womb. Womb means what? The mother where the baby is developing. That is called as womb. The process of killing a female child inside the womb is called female feticide. Okay. For a healthy society, the society should have to be lead a happy life. There should be not imbalance. For a healthy society, a balanced sex ratio. Sex ratio means what? The male, if 1,000 males are there, 1,000 females should be there, or 950 females should be there. But what happened on that time? The ratio of the female has completely reduced. The male ratio is increased at the time. For that purpose, they have banned this one. What? Finding out a child is male or female inside the womb. That machine Okay, a balanced sex ratio is needed that can be achieved by educating the people. Okay, we have to educate the people. So to avoid the malpractice like female feticide. It is a malpractice means what? It is a wrong thing. We do not have to do that one. Female, we do not have to kill the baby inside the mother's womb. That is called as female feticide. Fetus, after fertilization, zygote will form. Afterwards, embryo, the development of the baby takes place. That is called as fetus. Feticide, female feticide. The parental sex determination. Sex determination means what? Male. We want male. Oh no, we do not want female. We want only male. No, this is called as sex determination. Okay. The parental sex determination is legal offense. Legal offense means it is a punishable, students, for parents as well as doctors. So in our country, so as to maintain a balanced sex ratio. By this, students, we have completed how do organisms reproduce, class 10 biology. So what we have completed in biology, students, life processes we have completed, control and coordination we have completed, and how do organisms reproduce we have completed. In chemistry, chemical reactions and equations we have completed, and acid, bases and salts we have completed in chemistry. So 2 chemistry, 3 biology, totally